Well, Telstra shares were doing okay at first when its CEO Vicki Brady flew back to Sydney and apologised for the software glitch which caused mass outages across the country. But then its shares took a dive as the telco is being investigated by the communications regulator, and it could potentially be fined up to $30 million for the 000 failures. That's on top of the compensation it will have to pay customers for their economic loss. Apart from Telstra, healthcare stocks also did poorly, though gold miners jumped, along with the price of gold itself. And the Australian share market finished its day up by 0.5% after dropping for the past 4 days. Though its overseas peers did better, like the Nasdaq and South Korean market. Tech stocks surged after the Korean microchip maker SK Hynix listed its shares on Wall Street, and it managed to raise $38 billion, making it the second largest float in US history. Meanwhile, oil prices fell even though Iran's ceasefire with the US is over, according to Donald Trump. And traffic in the Strait of Hormuz has fallen sharply after the hostilities these last few days. But apparently both sides will still meet for technical talks, so that's something at least. And that boosted the Aussie dollar to 69.5 US cents. Now just finally, the Department of Workplace Relations has released a new report on AI. And one of the findings was that if you're a cleaner, electrician or plumber, your job is probably safe. But if you work in accounting, marketing, reception, and probably even finance presenting, those jobs have the highest risks of being automated, unfortunately. And that's finance.